Do you think the combination of services and the advent of AI and creating a tech component into that services-based business, right?
Yeah,
So ed tech companies, for
yeah.
instance, is there a market there for investments when you've sort of automated the client experience
Yeah,
and it becomes inherently more scalable?
it's a great question. I think if you make it scalable enough, you've productized it. So you're taking AI or whatever and you've built a product. So back to my point, if you can make it a product and something that really can scale, and we see that potential venture trajectory, sure. And by the way, a lot of folks are using AI, all this, new technology, and they're putting some layer on it. And so they're productizing it in a way, but how much is really inherently theirs versus, how much was kind of open sourced and already on the market. I think it's really important to dig into those things. But digging into things like, not just the story, but okay, are we seeing something that is starting to scale? Is it actually working? Because I think a lot of folks are using words like AI, and they have been, by the way, for a decade plus, or, machine learning, where they're not actually embedding it and using it in the way that they say. And so every business probably has a story for, and we're going to use AI to do this, or we're going to build this, right? And I would say, great, but I want to see it. Like, if I'm going to invest in a thing, I don't want it just to be a story, or I want to see this is the legwork and this is the mapping and this is the right team to do the thing and build the thing if I was going to invest before it was built. We are actively talking about how to use more AI because we are not just investors, we're also a services business, right?
Yeah.
And I just such a powerful
True.
one. And I'll be very upfront. It is such a heavy operational lift. If we don't figure it out,
That's right.
then we're stuck. We're stuck here at 120 members and we're servicing them and we're doing all the things. I want us at 500 or 1,000 members. So your question is so spot on for things that, intelligent business owners need to be thinking about. Services businesses are really, really tough to operate sometimes.